This week, guys, we're fixing a knife, so stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Or if you're new to the channel and it's your first time here, thanks for clicking. Also, if you're into this type of content and you like what you see today, consider subscribing. I'm putting out new videos each Thursday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks again for being here. You guys enjoy the rest of the video. Over the Christmas holidays, I was contacted about repairing a knife handle, and as you can see, this one definitely needs some attention. One thing I need to be clear about, the handle wasn't quite this bad when I got it. Well, it was beat up pretty bad, but that brown spot at the end, that was all me. I knew that heat was going to be the best way for me to remove that handle. Right off the bat, I tried a torch, but I quickly changed my mind. I switched over to the heat gun, and that worked like a charm. I took my time with the heat, not that I thought it was going to affect the temper or anything, but I wasn't sure exactly how those bolsters were attached. As uncommon as it may be, some people actually use epoxy to put those bolsters on, so I just took it real slow. Popped that scale right off. And once that scale was removed, it was just a matter of cleaning out those holes and making sure all that residual epoxy was gone. This is where the story gets interesting. The client gave me carte blanche to do whatever I wanted regarding handles, and I told him I was thinking about heading in the natural direction rather than doing some kind of micarta. So I went looking through my bin, found some pretty cool scales that I thought would look good on this knife. And I was trying to figure out which ones I was going to put on, but then I thought to myself, why should I have all the fun? So I've got 4 selections here. The first up is myrtle wood. It's kind of a light, nice, airy kind of wood. And then we've got dark rosewood. Equally pretty, but a little bit darker. And my favorite, cocobolo. The last choice we have is walnut. Good old-fashioned black walnut. Nothing too fancy, but really nice. Now I'm going to make the selection process real easy for you guys. Take a look at the pictures, see what you like. I'm going to throw up a poll right here. Go ahead and cast your vote and let me know which one you choose. Now, if there's something else you think you'd like to see on here, just go ahead and throw them in the comments below. I'll take all suggestions into consideration. So that about wraps it up this week, guys. I appreciate you joining me and sticking around for the whole video, even though it wasn't very long. Here's a couple more videos you can check out if you get time. Don't forget to go over to the website and see all the cool things I got over there. And don't forget to check out my affiliate store over at Amazon. Got a lot of cool stuff in there for you to check out. That's it for now. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next Thursday.